Today I'll be guiding you how to change Facebook email ID. For that you need to open the Facebook application and tap on three-line icon at the upper right corner. Once you reach on this menu section, tap on gear icon at the top of the screen. When you reach on settings and privacy page, tap on see more in account center. And here scroll down and under account settings, tap on personal details. Here you need to select contact info and after that let's tap on add new contact. You need to choose add email and you can enter a new email address here. Once you have added, you need to select accounts for this email. Select the Facebook account and now tap on next button. So once you select the email ID, you need to enter the confirmation code that has been sent to your email that you want to add in. Once you enter the confirmation code, let's tap on next button. Here, let's tap on close button. And on the top only you can see that I have already changed the email ID on Facebook. So if you want to delete other existing, you can tap on the account email address that you want to delete and easily delete. So in this way you can easily change the email ID on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching and see you in the next video.